finally got my new computer a month or so ago or whatever, and I've got my VPN set up on it, and everything's here lately been super busy. And but I've got all my charts and shit on, so ready to go, so we can get that thing running. Yeah. So I'm excited about it, bro. Noise. Yeah, I'll hop in there. I gotta go get me a shower though, but I'll be listening.
I stepped away.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
you tell me what you think of Sui though. Like right where it's at. Like I think it's a decent entry point right now, especially if Bitcoin rips to 70 something. I think it'll go to about 120. Just look at it. Yeah, look at it and see what you think, and just talk about it on stream or whatever else. There. All right, homies. I'll see you over there.
Peace, Ninja. All right, cheers. What up? Chilling, bro. Oh, I never sent you those baseball cards. Fuck. I'm gonna send you pictures so you can see what's there. Oh, we're on TV? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. View it up.
We get to see Poppy's face.
To the show. View it up.
Smile. We get to see.
That's cool that you got it. You got it connected there. I like that. Do you still hear the mic mutes on YouTube? Oh, that's cool. I need to get. Can you stream it here too, or you cannot? No, but you can't stream the same screen in the Discord, so I can see it there. Because otherwise, it's mess up my audio. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was in team chat. It doesn't. Oh, here we go. All right, dude, we're live, bro. Oh, I gotta hold on. I gotta mute this. Oh, I love this, bro. Oh, hell yeah. I'm looking at your chat, dude. Let's go. I still can't get this thing muted, dude. I can't figure this out. Yeah. I hear you. I can't mute. Oh, wait. Wow, I must be behind.
There we go. Just had to switch them around. And much better. I think the Discord should be updated. Application capture. Discord. I think there. There we go. Cool. Put this over here. Boom.
Okay, I don't think I can watch it on my phone. I have to pull my computer out or something.
You what?
I can't get the small box. I can't get the small box, and I can't like so I can see the screen at the same time. It's all good though. Maybe I can. Let me see.
This guy in the chat, he's like, "Are you rich?" This is now Mike Litterus 1628.
Love it.
All right. Let's think Will said he wanted me to look at Sui.
Yeah, let's check out Sui.
Yes, I think we're at a little area to place a small crate.
How much you eat every day, Big Poppy? Like 5K calories. This guy's funny, man.
I like this guy.
Man,
Send a picture of
this
your mom.
this body is built
Maybe
on
he'll eat her.
it's built on tacos and tequila. I'm telling you, bro.
Let's go.
That's funny. Sasui. Let's see. I don't like this. Let's just do one. Sui. So, damn, dude. Holy hell. A huevo. This guy's Mexican.
Go back further.
This guy's Mexican. Are you from Mexico, bro? Where are you from?
How come I can't see the chat? What the fuck?
Should be just in there.
Oh, my bad. What in the heck?
It's a YouTube chat that I'm talking in.
Yeah, I only see, the last thing I see is "Are you rich?" But I feel like there's like a lot more conversation going on.
Yeah, try refreshing it. Let's see. Jeez, dude, this hit right on the money. Why can't I see? Let me see.
Yeah.
Let's see. What?
No doubt, Mike. I could tell right off the bat. Like I was like, "Oh, this guy knows him."
You know me and I know you. Just having fun trolling you. Mike Litteris. I wish I knew who that was. Who's Mike? Is that you?
No, it's not. It's not me, I promise.
That's funny.
That would have been funny if it was, though.
Damn, I'll eat whatever you want. Oh, it's 2 sats. This one. Yo. This motherfucker, he's trolling me all the way from Mexico.
Let's fucking go.
From Mexico. With the cartels. Oh. Alright, here we go. Sweet. Let's see. So we got right into your entry zone down here. So we got in the blue zone right here, which is the fair value gap coming in all the way back from August 2024. Yeah, we got another level down here though. 5.58.
That's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, so I think this would probably be the best case scenario would be here. Just do a little buy zone here. Oof. Do another one right here.
I got ordered. Yeah, a little bit higher, but yeah.
Like right here, yeah. I'll fill your fill. Damn. I hope you do, man. If that's an invitation, I'm down to take it.
I think I've got an order set at like 45 cents.
45 cents. Yeah, 45. Let's see, 45. I'm not seeing 45 here on the daily. The lowest I'm seeing is 58. 50, yeah, like 58, 59.
Yeah, I got mine at 58.3. Yeah, that's what I got. I thought you said 53 at first.
No, right here, 58. Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I got mine.
Yes, 45 cents was Hail Mary.
60-cent sui would be crazy though.
Yeah, but you know what was really crazy? $16,000 Bitcoin.
Yeah, and how is Bitcoin?
I did not think I was gonna see that ever.
Yeah, that's kind of why I put that last Hail Mary way down there.
Let's see, do we have anything here? Maybe.
I think the key is just finding good entries along the way. You know what I mean? We're getting into the range where it's like at least I feel more comfortable DCAing around this point, but I'm still not bullish yet. I think we're gonna have a push up definitely, and then
Yeah, I agree.
my expectation is we're gonna see it come back down. Like if it does push back up, I'll be looking at shorts. I'll be looking for shorts.
100%.
Just because, yeah, just because I mean, so far it's so crazy that mode brought this like duality between the two different strategies, but one of them is gonna prove true and one of them is gonna not. So we'll see what happens, man. I think we're still online for downtrend. Long term, not right now. I think it's gonna have a little spike up, and then we're gonna see a continuation of downtrend.
Yeah, I think we definitely. I mean, I'm looking at the BTC like dominance chart, and we took a net. I mean, we're still in the bearish. We crossed the EMAs, the 200 and the what's it called, the 200 and the 50 have crossed. So we're definitely in bearish territory right now. 67. Wow, yeah, we've come quite a bit down. We still got a little bit of room to go on Bitcoin. I think that 50, yeah, the 52 range is going to be really important. It's not looking too bad. How's the ETH been up to?
Probably around 2000 or 19.
Yeah, 1973. Wow, this took a hard dip too. Just wondering if we can go any lower. For ETH for sure, 1700. 1700 ETH would be a lot. Where's Dot? Dot is looking. Oh, it's just gotta fill this fair value gap. I don't know how much lower it can go. Arb. Let's see, Arbitrum. Same thing. These are just too new of tokens or coins or however you want to look at them. They don't have too much data. Boo, boo, boo. Hype. Curious on Hype. Hype's at 31 bucks. Dang. Hype could definitely fill that fair value gap down here in 24. Ooh, yeah.
Well, that was kind of odd. I went to a commercial on the live, and then it took me to the next video.
That's funny. Let's see. Heck yeah. Alright. So let me just reset these. Man, this thing just looks so nasty.
I thought I was rugged for a second.
Were you?
I was not.
Heck yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna see a little bit of a push though this overnight. It just looks too good, you know?
Yeah, no, it looks good short term. Long term. I'm still seeing downtrend, obviously, you know.
Yeah, long-term
But
downtrend, but
we're gonna see some confirmation soon. As far as the trade, yeah, I'm definitely I'm long right now.
yeah, I agree. 96 though is gonna be my TP, so I'm gonna set that go ahead for my current long, and then I'll probably start a short around that range from 96 to 96.8. I'll probably set my two buy zones, and then I'll go from there.
Keeping it moving.
It's at 87 right now. It's at 87 right now and pushing. So hopefully we can get a new high. If we can break that 90.3, we'd be looking real good. We flirted with it the other day, so it's not out of the cards to jump back in, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
Yo, what up, Bildo?
Oh, yo, what's up, Bildo?
Bildo's in the chat.
Join the VC.
Heck yeah. We in the VC. Whew. One sec, I'm gonna charge my phone. My phone just died. Go get a cable. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, what are we doing? Just woke up from a nap. I'm actually cooked. One sec. Heck yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually cooked for the rest of the week. For the rest of the night at least.
Why, what you be getting into?
Dude, just work.
Damn.
We're bottling a bathroom right now and it's just dead.
Damn. You doing that grunt work.
Yes, sir. Still been up. Been away for a while.
Oh yeah?
Too long. Been away for too long.
I know, I saw you on Arc the other day.
Yeah, I just did the expedition, so I was just like trying to get levels up.
Oh yeah. Is this the second one you've done? So you're all gooped up then.
This is the first. I skipped out on the. I missed the first one because I was I don't think I was. I was playing COD at the time.
Mm.
So I missed the first one. So this is my actual first one going in.
Let's see.
We're getting enter. Are we on a long right here or no?
Yeah. Been getting into a long since this range down here. Do.
That's buffering. Give me a
Yep.
second.
Let me see.
What the heck is going on? Are you dropping frames on your OBS?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ah, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I'm using Streamlabs right now. Oh, we're
Yeah.
pushing. Look at that. We are pushing. Come on, little guy. Yeah, I think this 90, like I was telling the guys, I think this 96 to 96.8 range is what gonna be where I'm gonna take my. I'm gonna start a short at that range from the long.
Okay.
But it's where I got my first TP zone because I don't know, man. I don't want to play it too much right now. How low can we go? I don't know. I'd probably set the stop loss at like 90 if that play hits off. If it goes from like 96 down to like breaks 90 range down to 88 and forward, I'll just throw my stop loss there and just let it go. Because, yeah. I don't know. I just don't see too much momentum right now in the way it's going. But at the same time, we are kind of doing this like upward trend right here. And it's something that you can't really ignore.
I don't know. Is it just me or is the stream cooked?
The stream might be cooked. I think it's oh, that's why. The Epic Games is open. Dude, Epic Games is dumping.
Trying to download something right now.
Let me see. I think it might be auto downloading something. That's why the stream is cooked. Give it a sec. Damn. Excuse me. Can you not freeze?
That's weird. Just looking at the stats for nerds on the stream.
this over here. In the meantime, ooh, come on, pump, 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 pump. Oh, nice. What up, GND? Heck yeah.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to get my computer out for the YouTube. It's just too many problems when I'm trying to use my phone.
Oh no, you're good, bro. You're
Yeah, it's
good.
difficult to switch back and forth.
Let's see.
Might want to just lower the res and then either lower the bitrate or something.
Let's see.
Right now on my end, I can't see anything.
It's saying
Go to like 1080.
skip frames.
Try to stream with the same settings.
Let's see. How do I just go to? Skipped frames. Okay. Do I just go to settings? How does Streamlabs work? It says stream.
Yeah. It would just be stream and then
Like output, or what would it be?
yeah, it should be output. Output resolution just 1920 by 1080 instead of 4K or 1440.
Let me see. Output.
Then we can just figure out like a bit what your bitrate issues are later. Might have you restart stream though. Not a ideal situation.
Interesting. Let's see. Show. Huh. Is this showing anything right now?
Oh, I'm still froze at 5:40 p.m.
Let me see. Ooh. I think if I try this, it should stabilize now. Editor context menu. Still nothing, huh?
A little bit better. A little choppy, but I go to 1080. It's a little bit better.
1080. Okay. So I think, yeah, I just need to lower open performance window.
Yeah, it's just like a bit rate issue. I don't know what YouTube's bitrate cap is. Oh, my eyes.
Crazy.
Or you even try to just drop it down from 60 frames to
Getting cooked.
what's your rough TP on or S stop loss on that trade?
On the long? Let me check. 82.34. Damn, I'm getting cooked. Boom. Are you trading right now, Bildo? Oh, he left. Hello. What markets we watching? Um, been looking at Bitcoin right now. Oh, there you go, GND. What's up? Yeah, we can pull up the charts. Boop, 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 boop. Did I fund this match? Yeah, sure. Doosh, doosh, doosh. Oh, thing's taking forever.
That was so random.
We got kicked out.
My PC just My PC just shut off.
Damn.
What the fuck?
So pretty much we were just overlooking, what's it called? Entry zone 6863, 68, 68638, 68638, 6. Oh, okay. What are we doing? You're shorting. You're shorting BTC. Oh, you're shorting BTC right now. Wow. Okay. You got some balls.
I am not short on BTC right now.
Yeah. GND is. No, I actually have a long that I opened up from this area down here in Seoul. Um, I'm not trading Bitcoin right now, just Sol, but it's kind of the same pattern, right? Follow the same rhythm, but the entry zone was between $80 and $78.40. And then from here, we've just been riding it up a couple times, and 96 to 96.8 will be the TP1 zone for this, and then from here, I'll reverse into a short down to 90. It'll be my zone, just psychological numbers. And then from there, we'll just, I think it'll from there make a decision to either keep going down or then check up and make a new higher high. Once we get there, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But that's just my thesis on it. So we got the little sprout here for the buy zone, and then over here is going to be the target zone. Interesting what time frame you're looking at. I always look at the 4 hours. 4 hours day chart usually is what I try to look at, just because it makes most sense to me. I mean, even if you look at this, the buy chart for Solana, you see the little sprout area right here in the 80 range, but it's following the same thing. We had a low, and then we had a lower low. But now, looks like we made a little bit of a higher low now, pushing upwards. So we could definitely see a pop into this range. This would also fill a fair value gap back here that we made on February 4th. So yeah, I think that'll be the zone right here, be the first one to watch. That's why I think it'll push down from here. It makes sense to push down from this range, and then from here we can take it to a new higher, wherever we go. But yep. The time frame to hit your target is that March 20th. March 20th. Yeah, I mean, it just depends on the market. I mean, this happened in a matter of days. So, I mean, we could do this for a couple days, or we could do this for a couple days. It crypto is really its own animal. But hopefully, we just started the month too, so we'll see. Pretty cool. Yeah, this thing's wildin'. Wildin'. Time frame March 20th, yeah. I need it to pop though. It's looking really nice. I need it to pop. Push, 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 push. Mm. Mm. Damn. Go, little guy, go. Man, I really hope.
Bye, my darling.
I really need this. It's looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Mm. Mm. Mhm. Yo, what up, Will?
Oh, nut, man. Just seeing what you guys is up to.
We're just chilling. I think Dildo's touching himself, but other
Yeah.
than that, we're just chilling.
Oh, I'm just zoning out, my brother.
You going take him back? You going back to a nap?
Yeah, probably. It might
Yeah,
be
I'm getting ready
bedtime.
to.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's about 9 o'clock on the East Coast.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an old man. I'm usually in the bed by 8:30.
Yeah. Yeah, I wind down around this time too, so I just be chilling, man.
Yeah, straight up, man. Remember when I was younger, dude? Like I wouldn't go to bed till 11, 12 o'clock
Oh
with
yeah,
full wide ass open.
dude.
Then it gets like 7:30. I'm like, shit. I'm about to get my PJs and sit in the bed, look at the charts, smoke me
Yeah.
a fatty.
And then there's me trying to go to bed at like 11 o'clock after fucking just an adrenaline rush of Arc Raiders.
Are you still playing?
I haven't got on today.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I got me a badass gaming computer, so I guess I can play that shit now too.
Dude, hell
It's
yeah,
so
Will.
fun.
You gotta get it.
Yeah, I need to.
We'll
I
make
like
a
getting
game
out there and
ready you.
playing Demolition Derby with my excavator.
Oh, yep.
I'm out there destroying shit with that. But yeah, I've heard it's pretty fun though. I'll have to look into it. This BTC trade goes the way I think it's gonna go. I'll maybe get me a Mac Mini
Oh, nice, dude.
so I can run that open claw. Yeah, I think I might be able
So
to get
what is
one
that
then.
open class stuff? I have been hearing here and there about it, but I don't like what is it?
It's a open source AI,
Okay.
so it's not like controlled by anyone. So
Oh.
so there's no company that controls it really.
So it's an AI
And I've
that
heard some
what
really good things
that like
about it.
runs itself essentially, or what?
You program it. You program it to what you want.
Okay.
Yeah. So it executes things for you.
And
So you can set it up to be like,
is that the one that just got banned, or was that
I'm
something
not sure.
else?
Wait, what
I'm
is it?
not really sure.
Didn't
OpenClaw?
or was it
No,
yeah,
that's not one.
or something else? Something just got banned. Didn't Trump say that something was banned?
No,
That
he
was
wanted
that
it was Claude.
yeah.
Oh,
The
Claude.
the people who made Claude, yeah. But this is a fully open. This is open source. So I mean,
Mm,
but it basically will execute shit for you. Like it doesn't just think and give you answers. It actually does tasks as well.
hmm. Okay.
So I'm thinking about trying to
So it's like a proper AI
inc-
agent.
right, yeah. So I'm thinking about trying to link it to Telegram and run like 15-minute prediction calls on Kalishi. See how that works out. We shall see. I think it'd be kind of cool. I don't know. I'm gonna get with Calvin on it. Calvin said he's heard about it. And he's looked into it. So I'm gonna chit chat with him whenever we get the chance and see what's up. I think he may have a Mac Mini. I'm not 100% positive, but people are running Mac Minis because of the security.
Yeah.
So
Oh, I
Which
see.
also the new MacBook is supposed to be even better than the Mac Mini
Huh.
for AI.
Cool.
that's cool.
Give me 1 sec. My
They're
But
girl's
yeah,
doing
it's supposed
calling
to
me.
be a
flagship.
bunch of. All right. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Might have to hit you up too, Bilbo, for some tech advice.
Okay. I don't know a lot, but I know enough to get me in trouble.
Yeah, well, I don't know a lot at all, so anything's better than nothing.
That's true.
It's a start. But
Yeah, I'm always free. Feel free to just reach out.
yeah, I'll just send you a message. I don't know exactly when this BTC long's gonna hit, but I got my TPs at 74.6. So I'm along in it.
Which is like honestly, like it makes sense, but like based off the information, but like I don't know, to me, like just waiting this out, if just like politically, just to see what happens,
Yeah.
is just be I don't know. That's just me though. It should be fine. But I'm in a
All
solo long right
right.
now, so
Yeah, I think if the BTC one hits, I don't think it's gonna be like within the next day or two. But I mean,
no.
it's already up from entry point. I think it was 65.3. Somewhere around 65.3 was the entry point. So I mean, it hit
Nice.
the gold zone. So I mean, I'm already up. I'm in a 10x loan right now. So
Oh, you're cooking with it.
yeah, so far so good, man. I should profit like over 500.
Good.
Yeah, that's
To be
nice.
ready.
Poor Lemon got rinsed, I think.
Yeah. Oh, dude, he was so damn excited that he got that short in and it came back. Yeah, and dude, I think that's like the first trade that he's done in like a month. He got rinsed.
You gotta love it though.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. He's like every fucking time. It's like, yeah,
That's the
it
way the
happens.
cookie crumbles. That's funny.
Yeah, it's what it is, man. I've had many of those days.
Hmm.
Yeah, I really hope Suey wicks to 45 cents.
Sweet. I know.
I think it's possible that it could wick to that, but I do see the like 53 to 56 cent
Hmm.
range.
100%.
Yep. Bro, can you imagine though, man? You put 10 G's in at 53 cent, what it's gonna do next top?
Just wait for a couple years.
Yeah,
Even
I
if
don't
it
know if you're
That's
gonna
like,
gets.
get it, bro. I
huh?
mean, it might wick down there, but I don't know if you're gonna. To be honest with you, I don't know if you're gonna get 45 cents, dude.
No, that's my Hail Mary. If I don't get it, fuck it. But you know,
Yeah.
I'll put a G down there. Just sit and wait. If it don't hit, then it's all right. Move it somewhere else.
Ain't nothing but a G
I mean,
thing.
there's some good value right in that area there. If you, I mean, like anywhere in that 50 range would be great for spot. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. I was looking at like a wick. Just a random Hail Mary wick.
Well, yeah, that's kind of why I'm trying to narrow my entry points as far as like my entry into the bull for next cycle.
Hmm.
And I want to get better at, managing the money that I have and maximizing the potential out of it, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So, I mean, I can't really see a better way than, you know, using the leverage to support your trade, you know? So,
Yeah, I
late,
definitely want to get with you on the uh what side you're using, what, Jupiter to do
yeah, most
the pulling out? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
a little
Yeah.
bit more expensive, but they have margin liquidity, you know?
Yeah, I want to try that out. I think that'll be a think that'll be an interesting thing. I'm usually using backpack, and then going to hyper liquid. But
Have any of you tried that Titan that we got beta for? I never used it. I remember when we got the beta, there was like not very much liquidity. It was hard to trade on, but I haven't really revisited it since.
mm-mm.
That Titan exchange that token guy got us.
No, I never tried it.
It was a while ago. Bildo, you might have got it. I don't know. No?
I don't believe so.
He was giving us codes for a while. I think he gave us like 8 codes or 9 codes. I think one for each of the MTM members.
I never got
Yeah,
it.
that's been a while back.
Yeah, it was a while ago. Yeah, I can't
might
remember.
have, and who knows? I'm probably slept since then.
Yeah.
I do remember it, but I don't think I'm pretty sure I didn't.
For the most part, it's just easiest for me to go to Jupiter. That's what I've been using.
You know, I use the Coinbase for my spot buys, and then Hyperliquid for most of my trades. But I'm interested in doing the margin, like pulling out the margin and raising up the leverage on the Jupiter exchange. So I'm interested in getting with you on that.
Well, yeah, because right when conceptually I understood what was going on with that, it's like I know a lot of people fail, and the reason that most people fail is over allocation and over leverage. So the concept of using leverage later in your trade rather than early to try to maximize the amount that you're trying to win just means that you can use that later. So like I don't want to spot buy. I want to try to narrow my abilities. So like if I want to narrow my targets to where I'm making good entry on a long-term scale that I can also return my margin on. So I can get that return back while still getting the return from the trade. So I can ride the trade up, get my margin, and reuse that during next bull run. That's why I'm targeting so low. Other than that, like I also am spot buying, like but like I was saying, it's like they're small spot buys, just here and there, just little whatever.
Yep.
I'm really not deploying capital right now.
I'm just kind of DCAing into like 3 or 4 tokens. Nothing crazy.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna
But
narrow down on some of my NFTs, I think.
Ooh, you selling any? You getting rid of some?
I was thinking about it.
Ooh.
Yeah, a couple of them downsizing. Not sell completely out, just downsizing a little bit, take some profits here and there. I get addicted to those NFTs, especially when they start doing bullish shit. You know what I mean? I'm like, God damn, how can I sell this?
And I think Will's still buying frogs, right?
yeah,
He's
a little
addicted.
bit, a couple here and there.
Brother's addicted.
Yeah, I'm the number one holder of ordinals.
Oh, you're number one? Oh yeah, you were number one though, right?
I'm still number one.
He's always number one.
Still number one. Still number one.
Pickles
What?
number one. Pickles number one.
I haven't been in my backpack for so long.
Yeah, I think I've got like 28.
Damn, I can't even remember how many I have. Do you remember how many I have? 10?
You've got enough to be whale. I think you have to be 9 to be like a thornal whale or whatever.
Yeah, that sounds
So I
about
know
right.
you at least got 9. But dude, I couldn't pass them up, man. Buying them things for like 60, $70, bro. Like, oh my God. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It was so much cheaper than the the regular frogs. And then when he was like, "Oh, we're gonna make it part of the collection," I was like, "Fuck yeah!"
Yeah,
So now,
I really
just
actually, I like the Thornhill art better.
oh, absolutely,
It's just like classic fucking.
just cool shit. It's cool
I
art.
don't know why I like it better actually. It's
I
just
just do.
I guess it's more realistic. I don't know. I don't know. I like it better though. I can tell you that much. I know. Just ask me. I'll tell you all about it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've been buying a couple frogs here and there. Like I scooped 4 or 5 of them at like 0.37, 0.4. I think that's been a little bit ago, but you know, still getting a few here and there. Got a couple dope ones.
How they been doing over
Got
there?
a. I honestly don't know too often much. I don't think there's any trading classes really going on anymore.
Oh, too bad.
Yeah, I think like on the nights Dregs is supposed to do it. Like I haven't seen him in there, so and Andy hasn't been to any of his classes.
Oh, that's
So
unfortunate.
yeah, I think he's just. I think something happened to his brother-in-law or something.
Oh, well, real life does
Yeah,
happen.
yeah. I think he got hit by a car or run into a car, with a snowmobile or some shit.
Ooh, yes. So something happened.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm not really sure all that, but I mean it's still active. They get new users and stuff, new people coming in. That's why the floor price is going up.
Oh, is
So
it? Sweet.
yeah, I think there's like 1 point. I think it's 1.2, 1.3.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Didn't have any money, but I could have bought two golden katanas for a soul apiece. But I did get some black robotic frog. That was pretty dope. It's got a winter coat and like some backpack. It's pretty damn cool. Got a big blunt in its mouth. It's pretty sweet. That was in the old collection, and then I upgraded it. Like the black robotics and the spirit and the ghost skins. Those things usually go pretty high once the floor price comes back up.
Yeah, some of the art
So
on some of those is dope. I
yeah.
got
So I was trying to scoop them kind of low, like some of those.
yeah, I'm happy that the tech is still working and everything is good. You know what I mean? Appreciate those signals.
No, for
Shit.
sure. I'm gonna go check it right now.
The tech checks.
Yep, it sure does. Let's check it. Let's see.
Oh, I still forgot to send you pictures of those cards. I'm doing it right now.
Oh, that's right. You bought a bunch of cards, didn't you?
Yeah, a bunch of stuff that I have no idea about. Like, I didn't even care about all the other stuff that was in the back of the book. There's all kinds of like signed baseball cards and like. Here we go. Oh, can I? Oh, dude, here they come in bulk. Poppy, you ready? Oh, I can only send this many. Okay, here comes some of them. Boom. Oh, boom. Have you guys been working with Claude at all?
Huh.
No.
I need to start getting into it. There were some regulations as far as what the Department of Defense was allowed to use as far as AI, and I don't know if I really even want to use ChatGPT anymore. So probably just move to Claude for now until they fucking cave too.
I think OpenAI.
Oh, cool, dude. Like it? Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead, Will.
I think OpenAI is now working with the Department of Defense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's also some wacky, like, what they're allowed to do with it as far as, like, monitoring the public and citizens and what they're actually doing with the data. You know what I'm saying? Is like, I don't want them using the data for that.
I
That's what
think
I've
one of the
always.
things was fully autonomous, like weapons capability stuff.
Yeah, because I mean, dude, some of the access that you give is crazy. I mean, it's like literally everybody feeding it a bunch of data about everything, everywhere, dude.
Yeah.
If you were to weaponize that information, which guarantee they will, I mean, you can already see it happening in the Middle East with Israel. They hacked the security cameras on all the traffic lights. They were watching people move around through their own camera network, dude. It was like,
Crazy.
oh my god! Now you're talking about a database with all of our personal information and shit. Like, oh my god, sketch. That's why I've been bullish on agents, because I would like to see personal agents. That's what I want to see. I want to see Jarvis. That's what I'd like to see.
Hmm.
To where I can store it on my own server, buy the software, use the software, teach it, and give it my own database and store my own database. I don't want to give the access out to whoever can weasel their way in and get it. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I'd rather keep it on a closed circuit loop and give it access to what I want, you know?
For sure.
Well, I mean, I guess it depends on what you're using it for, you know? I guess if you're using it for not everyday life things, just kind of like coding, developing stuff, like, I don't know, because it gets crazy. You start asking it questions and it starts keeping data logs and shit, and it's like, oh man, dude. Think about the questions you ask Google. They got all the stuff already, so I don't know what I'm worried about, but it's just we're getting into crazy times now, and I don't understand it enough to be able to understand. Like, I'm very cautious with what I say to ChatGPT or anything with AI, because I'm just, I know what it is. It's a large language model. That's what it is. It's a database of information. It's only as smart as the data that goes into it. We'll see.
definitely going to get interesting in the next couple years for sure. Probably best just to go off grid and say to hell with everybody.
Yeah, but I mean, until then, it's like just there's plenty of things that we can use it for to make our lives easier, especially like when it comes to like advancing your capabilities of what you can do and how the time frame is going to take you to do it.
Yeah, no, I agree. Just saying, make your money, get off grid, farm and garden a little bit, just enjoy life.
That's where it is. That's, I mean, like you talk to any rich person, any single rich person. Well, actually, there's a couple out there, but real estate is really weird. You know, land goes up in value.
Yeah.
They don't print anymore.
Yep.
So if you just follow the cycle of the land market, you know, it's invest in some
Yeah.
property and then turn it into an asset, a liability, and you're
Real
golden.
real estate usually has a 20-year cycle. Between a 16 and a 20-year cycle, give or take, somewhere right around there. And I think we're due for another drop. So we'll see what happens.
You remember that?
Like 2008 was the last big one. And but if you go back in history, you can see between 16 and 20 years, pretty much, man, the housing market does a big pullback. So we're pretty close to that now.
Y'all remember me talking about that AI trading bot?
Mhm.
I think they're getting ready to actually release it. Hopefully this week. They're gonna
Heck
start
yeah.
announcing it even more.
When you find out about it, just tag us.
Yeah, I'll send the thing and something in chat about it.
Yeah, I'd like to try out Token's thing that he's done. I just haven't
I keep
honestly
forgetting
took
to do
the time
that.
to do it. Yeah, just haven't really took the time to do it.
I mean, to be honest, they're pretty fucking cheap right now. You get access to it. They're at 0.5.
What are they?
It's Hacks, HAXZ. They have like a raffle site. They have like a peer-to-peer swap or like NFT swap, and then they're releasing they call it Rails, but the AI-powered trading bot it's got 4 AI agents, 12 plus data sources, and then so it's just like another validator for like cyberfrogs.
That's cool. They got some dope art.
Yeah. And then you can stake they have this thing called Singularity, which is like an internal staking. You basically just lock that thing up forever. And
Hmm.
it like I think it like quadruples your staking points. And then you can use those staking points to enter raffles and shit.
Hmm.
I think there's the raffle program's like shut down right now. They're like redoing it.
Yeah, they got some pretty cool art, man. I'll have to check them out for sure. Is there certain like so many NFTs you have to have for like certain levels of access? Or...
They haven't really said anything. I know that they'll have it available for non-holders, but they're like, how's I find it again? I'm just gonna go listen to their spaces. A fucking hour and 45 minutes.
Yep. Yeah, I gotta get ready. Get some sleep.
Alright.
Probably have to try to catch up with you guys a little bit later on.
Yeah, I'm gonna start coming around a little bit more, I think. Try to at least. It's just hard to
Yeah, I've
believe.
been doing a lot of stuff IRL, man. It's been busy.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll catch every one of you guys later.
Peace.
Cheers, fam. Hey, we'll tie in soon. I gotta catch up with you anyway.
Yeah, sounds good. All right, later.
I need some coffee too. You still got coffee up? What a bastard.
I didn't
Dude.
hang up on you.
Oh, dude, I got tricked out, dude.
You called me a bastard. You ass.
That was girl that left, dude.
Yeah, she dropped.
Still want some coffee
All good,
too.
man. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
I don't know. You still got the website? Where's the website? Is the website still up?
Nah, I'm pretty much done with the whole Etsy thing for right now till I get everything figured out here at the farm.
You still slinging coffee though, or what?
Yeah. I still got some.
You just gotta know somebody, huh?
Hmm.
No, I mean, I could show you. I got the very first bag.
No, but does he have choices or is it just a bag of coffee?
He's got alpha and what's the other one?
Minted
Here,
medium.
I'm gonna just let you. Can you tell the Joey the two types of coffee you have?
Yeah, I got a alpha blend, which is a dark roast and a light roast mix, and then I have a minted medium, which is just your basic traditional medium blend or medium roast. But
I like them both. I think I like the alpha better.
yeah, it's got like chocolatey flavors somewhat to it. Like it's that dark roast has like a good flavor.
Yeah, it's more. Yeah, I don't know. It's more flavorful, I think.
Yeah, it's like a really good rich all around, but you still get a good little kick from the light roast with the caffeine. But yeah, I can send
So
you some
I'm
out that way.
quit now. Do you order it direct, or do you have someone on standby, or?
I mean, I can make a big order whenever I want to, but I've still got some here. So
Oh,
So is he selling?
yeah, by the pound, and you could get whole bean or no.
yeah, whole
He
bean
wants
or
it.
ground.
Yeah, I want it ground too.
All right. Well, you just text me whatever you want and just let me know. I'll send it out.
Yeah.
Don't want to eat.
Yeah. Just send me 4 bags, and I'll send you money.
How much?
Sounds sweet to me.
I'll cover it. Don't worry.
The reason is
I
they buy Pete's coffee.
Don't-
Pete's is pretty good.
It's how much is the coffee?
things like 18,
Okay.
I believe. I think I still had it somewhere like 18, but it's a full pound. It's not in 12-ounce bag.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yep.
He's just
So,
asking me.
all right.
Also, is
You
that
want a
alright?
bag it? You want a bag of each?
I want
Like
2 bags.
2 bags of each. All right, that'll work. Yeah, I'll get it sent out this week.
All right, cool. Cheers. I'll send you cash.
Yep.
Or
All right.
whatever you want.
After a while.
All
Don't
right,
matter.
later.
Either one you want to do. All right.
All right,
Later.
cheers. Man.
Yeah, because they buy hella coffee. They buy cheap coffee for me in the back. I like strong coffee. I like coffee to taste like coffee. I like espresso. They don't have an espresso machine there.
I never liked espresso until I was on the boat. On the boat, I was like, oh, I get it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shot that hits you that much harder and gives you that much more energy, that much faster. You don't have to drink a whole cup of coffee to get the same results.
Yeah.
I pretty much, if I don't drink the little Mio things, which is those are way stronger than coffee.
Well, I think he was doing because the captain would bring us like fucking
It's
in
a
like
shot
a
of
solo.
espresso.
No, and I like a yeah. It'd be like
Yeah, no, there's doubles, quadruples, but a single shot is only a cup this big. The
yeah.
length of that.
No,
It's tiny.
he
And then
would
you
bring
do a
us like
double, which is a little
cups,
bit bigger.
regular like
Like
cups,
probably a double cup, because the double cup's probably like half
like a
regular
solo
cup. Of
cup,
coffee.
like a solo
A
cup.
full solo cup.
No, a solo cup with like this much. But
That's
they
what
were
I'm
the.
saying. You would probably put it.
Yeah,
Because
I don't know.
They use the same amount of coffee for a single as a double. The only difference is how much water they push through it. But because the way they treat it, like you got to have it properly dispersed. You got to pack it in right so that way it gets the right burn or the right steep, whatever the fuck you call it. But
I don't call it that.
I learned that shit at Mulvaney's. They were big into espressos and coffees and doing the different shit. Yeah, I like espresso.
I just like it because it didn't take. I mean, like, don't get me wrong. Like in the mornings when we get up, you know, I want a coffee. I want a coffee to like wake up in the morning. But like when we're out on the deck and we're like hauling the gear, I don't want to have a call. I just want to bang. You know, like boom. See you later, and I'm back to working. You know.
I'm not gonna pretend like it tastes way better. It's just stronger. But what it does is way better because like you said, you just kill that one cup real quick. You're not dragging up a cup for the next 4 hours trying to.
And it breaks up.
Coffee.
It breaks up the monotony a little bit. It's almost like taking a break. You know what I mean? Almost.
Yeah. When I was at Mulvaney's, I'd get 4 containers, and I would do 2 double shots, and then put my sugar, all my stuff in there, and then turn it into an iced coffee. So it dissolves the water from the ice in there. It dilutes it a little bit, so it's more like a regular cup of coffee, but it's still strong like a regular espresso. Because it's still, I'm not adding hella other stuff. Like I might put some coffee in there or some ice cream for creamer.
No, if I want espresso, I want espresso. I might put some sugar in it, but.
Oh, you always put sugar. You got to do it at the right time too.
But like, I don't have time for that shit, and he ain't gonna do special order shit. He's just making espresso black. Here you go, drink it. You know. Or no. No, he was good about that shit, cause like we'd be halfway into the, like usually when we're setting the gear out, like 6 hours you're setting it out, so like halfway through or. Yeah, 6 hours.
6?
6 to set it.
I feel like it took us way longer than 6 to set when we were on the ground.
No.
We weren't doing that many.
How do you run 24 hours?
That's why the joke came that there's more than 24 hours in a day. We would finish hauling and it'd be more than 24 hours later and go right into settings, so you're still working and not stopping.
Because we sucked at what we were doing. When you're more efficient, I mean, it should go 6 hours of setting.
I feel like
and then you take.
Wasn't really driving slow, right? He was doing as fast as the boat could go.
I mean, you're talking about 40 miles. 40 miles a line on the reel. We could pull easy 6 to 7 knots. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it should go 6 hours, and then you rest for 2, like go to sleep for 2 hours, and then wake up and pick the gear up and rest for 4, and then wake up and set it again. But we'd also break a dude loose at the end of the set to go cook and get everything ready, and then and we were doing watches too. God damn, that was shitty. So the person who did the first watch would have to do the dishes too,
because they're gonna get to go to bed earlier and no breaking or sleep. You get
No break.
sleep,
Yeah, and plus you're geared up at the end of you just ate, so nobody's really ready to go to bed right off the bat. It's always best to do the first fucking. It's always best to do the first watch because you're all still.
Or to do the last watch and wake up early, right? If you're not ready to.
Yeah, the first or the last. Yeah, you don't want to make it wake up in the middle, but hey, it is what it is. We only do it like half-hour shows, so.
Oh, that's.
Yeah, and the captain would wake up and do some too. I mean, it's not nothing. Dude.
No.
You're talking about doing a half hour out of 4 total, and you're eating in that time.
Yeah, but on the growler, if you got first watch, you can eat on watch. You can sit there and just eat. Well, I'm going to sleep anyways right now.
Your watch doesn't.
Oh,
Your
you
watch
don't
doesn't start until the shift is over. Everybody's on deck. Then we come inside and
You
eat.
don't always have to have somebody watching as you're driving. Like I would have thought that all right, everybody's eating, somebody still has to be watching.
Oh, I mean, like we're all on watch at that point. You know what I mean? Captain will probably still be up in the. You know what I mean? I mean, because he probably ate first. You know.
I feel like good captain, their job is actually they have a good crew, good captain, thing works cohesively. Yeah, you're still working long hours, but you don't have to really work.
Yeah, I mean, we were working long hours, but we were also putting out fucking 5,000 hooks on 40 miles. And the next boat down was doing like fucking 2,400 or something. We were putting out double the hooks that they were in the same amount of space. That's why we were catching so many fish.
You were just bringing them in that much faster.
Just a well-oiled machine where the
Well, you're
crew.
talking about season, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, you couldn't put them on like that when you're doing tunas. They'll get.
Shit, lost. I feel like mahi, you want it closer together.
They pack
together,
up, yeah.
If you have one in the water, you can keep catching them.
And we would too. We were banging them one after another after another. I think that's probably why we did so well because you didn't have to go so far for another hook. There's another one right there, you know. So
always keeps
if this, yeah, even as you're leaving the gear behind, if a fish bites it, there might be another mahi comes by and he's hanging out right by this one, you know. So he might bite that one, but.
Well, offshore fishing, you're going for mahi. You're looking for where the birds are. You have to hook one. That's where it starts. As long as you keep one hook in the water,
Yeah.
you can take it all out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you'll catch the whole fucking. Yeah, you'll catch them all. They'll hang and roll.
Have a
Oh
good
shit!
night.
Oh, you guys out?
I'm out. I'm off the
I
bed.
was fucking not muted the whole time. Anyway, hear my story.
Yeah. All right, peace, bro.
Cheers, guys. Did you say you're out, Poppy? Oh, I don't think he's even here.
So